Setting up Google TV just got easier. Streamlined setup process. Are you tired of the complicated setup process for your Google TV? You're definitely not alone. Many users find the steps to install apps and enter details to be a bit of a hassle. But here's some exciting news. Google is making significant changes to streamline this experience. Initially, these improvements will roll out on select Hisense TVs, with plans to expand to more Google TV devices soon. I recently set up a Google TV-ready smart TV, and let me tell you, linking my Google account was more complicated than I expected. I had to juggle between my phone and the TV, which made for a frustrating start. Thankfully, that's all about to change. Goodbye app downloads for Android users. In a recent blog post, Google announced a game-changing update for Android users. You won't need to download the Google Home app as the first step anymore. Instead, once you power on your new Google TV, you'll get a notification right away, making the setup process much smoother. No more scanning codes on the screen. For our iOS friends, don't worry, you can still scan the QR code displayed on your TV to kick off the pairing process. But that's not all. Google is also enhancing the app installation experience on Google TV devices. Expect faster downloads and installations, plus the ability to start using your TV while apps are being installed in the background. And with optimized storage for app downloads, you'll have more room for your favorite apps and games. These improvements also extend to how your Google TV interacts with smart home devices. Google promises quicker response times when you control your smart home gadgets through the Google Home app or with voice commands. Plus, you'll get to enjoy new AI screensavers as part of this update. The first devices to benefit from this enhanced setup experience will be Hisense's 2025 U7 and U8 series smart TVs. Google has plans to roll out these features to other Google TV devices and compatible third-party TVs, including Walmart's on streaming devices. And let's not forget about the new Google TV Streamer 4K, which is also on the list. So, do you have a Google TV? How has your experience been so far? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.